Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this pretty, not too bad. It would almost maybe trace and asked how the person drew it and made it like that. Well, I've already done it. It's really pretty easy. And you can do this with a number of ways, but I think the easiest way is take like a 1 inch by 1 inch block. My ratio is locked. And I'm going to take that right there and I'm going to set my nudge factor on 1 inch. I'm going to hit the plus key and move it over. I'm going to take my smart fill tool and I'll make that black. I'm going to take my smart fill tool and make that one white. Now you won't be able to see it, but I'm going to take away the outline. Now I'm going to group that together. Now I'm going to go ahead and so make it easier for you and me. I'm going to put a background on it. Go up to Object, Order, Backup Page, and you can see the white. Now you could change your nudge factor to 2. But we need to go downhill later anyway. So I'm thinking just leave it on 1 and hit the plus key and hit your deal twice. Hit your right arrow key twice. And then once you do that, you can Control D and it's going to, mine just keeps messing up all the time. It can't keep up. So then Control D and then you can make it as big as you want it. See, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what I hit. I want to make sure I just have one copy. Whoop. So I'm going to grab the last 2, hit the plus key, move it on more twice, maybe one more. Okay, now take these and group them, Control G. Still use 1 inch. Well, I didn't make a duplicate. Control D, 1 inch, and then 1 inch to left or right. Now I would go ahead and ungroup this because I don't want that other thing sticking out. And I'm going to have to ungroup it again. I could have ungrouped all. But now I can get rid of that black square. And I need to you don't have to hit your calculator. Now I'm going to get rid of the white square, but I have to ungroup. And this time I'm going to ungroup all. And that'll take care of that. Now I can set my nudge factor on 2 inches. I'd group this together, Control G, and then Control D. And look at that. You're making that checkerboard. I did it again. I don't know what's going on. Let's do a little bit more. Well, I thought I grouped them together. You know what we could do? We can make it really big by Control G, Control D, and duplicate it, and then just go down to there's nothing, and then go back. So now we have it. I'm going to take this all, and you can't see it. You can't see the white. I'm going to Control G to make sure it's grouped. Hit P to put it in the center of the page. And I could actually go ahead and let's go ahead and it's on a black background in the picture. Let's just take this and make it black and go up to Object, Order, Backup Page. And you got that. Now, grab with the pick tool, grab your drawing and go to your shadow docker and hit the envelope tool. Okay, there's only one node in the middle, so I could actually select all the nodes and add nodes. And you can add as many as you want. Now, I don't really need it on the side, so I'm going to delete those. But I've still got these up here. Now, if you will select these 2 nodes, while holding down the control button after you start moving it, you get that. And then you could grab these 2 nodes and do that. And you can make it a little bit more dramatic by grabbing these 2 and bringing them down if you wanted to. I don't think the picture is like that. I think the picture is opposite of mine. So let's try this. We'll go up here and mirror it. And now we're pretty much even the way the picture was. It's almost an optical illusion. It actually looks like it's flowing. That's pretty easy. And really, I think this is on a black background. And if we wanted it exactly the size, grab this, hold down the Shift key, and double click on your rectangle tool, and then make that black, and then go up to Object, Order, Backup Page. And then take away that white or that red hairline. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.